on Battery Production.
We're dropping the fuel tank out of the duster.
Looks pretty good. All right. It stands with the root. All right, come down real slow like.
Copy.
Baby. Alright, somebody told me something one time, put a little pressure on the jack stand, hit them with a hammer, and they get all four on the ground.
Nice hammer.
Little leaves are gonna go almost back to the ground.
All right, first step for dropping your fuel tank, you got to pop the trunk. Jesus, Duster, come on. Okay. Then you want to remove your fuel cap. That can go right in the trunk.
Oh, let's see here. I'm going to grab a container for the trunk.
You know it'd go good right about now? If we had some kind of tool sponsor.
Yeah.
Like Milwaukee Rattler or DeWalt. We're not picky.
Gentle with this old stuff. There.
There should be.
And that's just like a pressed rubber dum-dum. It's lipped, a metal lip on the tank, and this slips over it. Just make sure you got all three of them out. There's 4 holes, but typically there's 3. And just slowly, with old crusty. There.
It's giving up.
Oh,
gross.
Yeah. This is their idea of an anti-siphon
Siphoning.
kind of thing.
Yeah, well, she was what? During the fuel crisis.
Yep.
Fuel was expensive.
My 73 didn't have one.
There was no crisis in 73.
No,
was
crisis
there?
averted.
When did the crisis start crisising?
73 and a half. Now, this can go back into the quarter, so nobody catches it.
And just
for now.
chill.
And just hang out
All right, nobody put gas in the duster.
until tomorrow.
Go right through that big hole in the trunk and all the other little holes.
Where is... Okay.
So these bolts are just too crusty, so we're just going to cut them.
Yeah.
And we're going to cut the old rubber lines going to the return and to the flow side of the tank.
And replace with new.
Yeah, replace with new gas line, rubber gas line, and probably steel gas line eventually. But we'll be back when we're dropping the tank.
Okay.
Just so she doesn't drop as far.
As far, right?
And don't worry, viewing audience. It's only got like a quarter tank of gas in it.
We think.
Could be less.
All right. Heading your way again, buddy. Sorry.
Covering my eyes.
Yeah. That worked out swell.
Alrighty.
On the truck. Alright, now we can replace these. Shit, they're hot.
Yeah, you can probably wait.
There. With a full J.
Right, yep. Ooh, I see it. You got her? Okay.
Okay, and we get these out. I can't remember. Twist one way or the other. Tank might be in the way.
You should be able to lower it.
They'll flex.
Alright.
Okay. I guess lowered, I'll kind of balance it left to right here.
Oh,
That jack is...
there's a point.
I know. Here it comes. Here it comes. Feels lightish. Feels balanced. Let her go down. You watch that. Everything's clearing up there. Yep. Okay. Down. No, let's let her go down, down. Oh, yes. Cool. You drag, I'll hold. There you go. That's it.
Alright, so we're going to take the second unit out so we can get a good look at what the inside of this tank looks like.
It's probably not going to be, it'll be a look, it won't be a good look. So it's got to go that way. Tap, tap, tap. I think so. Watch your eyes, people. Pretty sure that's the way it goes. So it's got to. It's got to go that way. It's the downhill way. All right. Let's see. Ouch.
20-mile drive and 350 fuel filters.
Oh. Success.
She's on the run. Yep.
Not yet.
Almost there. A little bit more. Almost. Yep, Bob's your uncle.
Oh. What's going on?
I think it's still catching a little bit right there if you want.
Oops. Oh, I think you done did it. All right, here's the... Oh. All right, well, we can put that back in. I'm kidding.
It still works. Where is it?
It's not on there. There's supposed to be a brass
somebody.
Barrel clipped onto there. I bet it's in the tank.
Yeah. All right, this will stop us right in our tracks. We thought we were just gonna have to clean the tank out, you know, a little bit. She's pretty much
A write-off.
nothing but rust. There's supposed to be a float there, not this captain's hook. But I bet you the sending unit still works if we electrical tape a bobber onto it.
Maybe a slip bobber so it can travel up as needed. Who knows?
All right, well, that might do it for this episode. So we're gonna have to hop on the old interwebs machine, and I think the best thing to do is order a new tank, huh, Jeremy?
New sending unit, new tank, a few feet of bulk fuel line, some clamps, then more slant sixing.
So a quick Google search shows me that I can get a 71 duster tank, which I believe it's got to be the same damn thing. 71 through 76, 16 gallon for $55.94 from carparts.com.
What? How much is the sending unit?
$44.95.
Yeah, we need it.
$100 invested in that. That ain't bad. We'll call our friends over at, what would you call it? Big brand parts store.
Yeah, I called O'Reilly's.
They always get it right every time.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
The amount of gas not left in here is hilarious for you not having a working gas gauge.
I timed it pretty good. All right, guys. I think that's today's episode, so.
Yeah, it should be. We're going to get the rest of the gas dumped into a bucket yet tonight and take it over to the parts store. They take the gas and oil and transmission fluid for us for free, so it ain't just going to sit out here. And then the tank can just get crushed into the scrapyard, I suppose.
All right, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to tune in for next episode on Project Duster. We're going to take the carburetor off and clean it and inspect all fuel lines and see if they need to be replaced.
We're done, aren't we?
Yeah. Later, guys.
When are we going to videotape my car?
When we find
your car.
tomorrow,
When it drives.
tomorrow's garbage day, there's bound to be some kind of Chevy motor out on the curb.
No, we're not going to be brand specific here.
I'm just going to wait until you guys get yours done so I know what to do.
No, you're going to know what not to do.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna watch us.
Don't put a Mopar engine in my Chevy.
Blake's gonna be swapping engines in a year or so here. Don't put us on
I'm gonna have
He's like, well, that hurt.
a spare slant 6 just
Laying around.
laying around with the tranny.
We have to.